Hi guys, we received this VOCOlinc wallet tracker for reviewing purposes, and I'm gonna open it first of all. And it's a really nice one because you can connect it with Bluetooth 5.2 and it works with Apple Find My, so it's really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out of here. Okay, so it's this. It comes with the manual and how to turn it on. Okay, now it's on. I'm gonna pair it. As you can see, it's detected. I'm gonna connect it and change it to, well, wallet, because it will go on my wallet. I'm gonna put the money emoji free, and it's setting it up. And now I have right here and can put it in my wallet to have it with me all the time and know where it is. Okay, so it's a really nice wallet tracker, which, you know, you sometimes, rather than having a proper AirTag, you can have these smaller wallet trackers, which is really nice, and you can make some sounds to find your wallet. Okay, I'll know that I have it right here. But yeah, it's really nice. It's slim. You can have it with you so you don't lose your wallet, which is really nice. Then I will actually really recommend these VOCOlinc wallet trackers. So see ya.